Dear children, in the previous video, you have learned about identity 1. Here in this video, you will learn the identity 2, which arises as a product of binomial a minus b with itself. Square of binomial a minus b is square of the first term, that is a squared, plus square of the second term, that is b square, minus twice the product of the two terms, that is 2ab. Here in this video, we will see the mathematical and geometrical explanation of identity 2. So let us start mathematical explanation first. A minus b the whole square means multiplication of binomial a minus b with itself. Let us multiply a with second term a and b, and then multiply b with second term a and b. After multiplying and simplifying, we get a minus b the whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now let us see geometrical explanation of identity 2. Let us take a square of side length a unit, then area of this square will be a square. Consider a point B on the side of this square such that the side length of this square will be sum of a minus b and b. As we have seen now that this square is divided into three parts such that a square of side a minus b and its area will be a minus b the whole square, a rectangle of side length a and b and its area will be a into b, and another rectangle of side length b and a minus b and its area will be b into a minus b. Now to find a minus b the whole square, we subtract the area of rectangle a into b and area of rectangle b into a minus b from the area of the square, that is a square. So when we simplify this expression, we get a minus b the whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. This is the geometrical explanation of identity 2. Let us solve some examples based on the identity. Find 5a minus 4b the whole square using identity 2. Here, first term in this binomial is 5a and second term is 4b, and we know that a minus b the whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So let us put these values in right hand side. So 5a minus 4b the whole square is equals to 5a whole square minus 2 into 5a into 4b plus 4b whole square. After simplifying, we get extended form of 5a minus 4b the whole square is equals to 25a square minus 40ab plus 16b square. Let us solve another question. Evaluate 9.9 whole square by using identity 2. 9.9 can be written as 10 minus 0.1. Here a is equals to 10 and b is equals to 0.1. So let's put these values in identity 2. After putting these values in identity 2 in right hand side, after simplifying we get 9.9 the whole square is equals to 98.01. Thank you.